Hi everyone, my name is Beatrice. Welcome to my channel, Beatrice's Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a chocolate banana cake. For ingredients, we're going to need 3 eggs, 100 grams of margarine, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 100 grams of sugar that you have at home, brown or white, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 bananas, as well as vanilla essence. Take your margarine and melt it in a microwave and leave it to cool. Take your bananas in your prepared bowl. Smash your bananas as you can see in the video until it reaches this point. Afterwards, add your 3 eggs. Mix them thoroughly in the mixture. After your eggs are mixed in the mixture, add in your sugar. Mix it well. Then afterwards, add in your melted butter or melted margarine and mix it well. Sift your flour, baking soda and baking powder in your mixture, and then mix your flour in your mixture well until you don't see any lumps of flour except for the smashed bananas. Separate a quarter of your mixture in a different bowl. In it, add your teaspoons or tablespoons of baking powder and then mix it well, as you can see in the video. In a prepared baking tin, add in your banana mixture and alternate with that one with cocoa, as you can see in the video, until your mixture is over. To act as my oven, I've used 2 cooking pots. I've added my salt in it and wait for it to preheat. Afterwards, I placed my baking tin into my DIY oven and leave it for 45 minutes to bake. And then once it is done, I will remove it from the oven and wait for it to cool, and then I'll plate it for people to enjoy. As you can see, the cake is soft, moist, and lovely. Please enjoy. Try it. I swear by it. Try it at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel for more contents like this. Share with your friends and practice to your heart's content. Love you. Bye. Until next time.